Are you ready to welcome in the day? Come on, get your sun. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. The sun is coming up, the sun is coming up. We thank the earth for spinning round and being here for us. When I sit at circle, my bottom is on the floor. My legs are crisscross applesauce. My eyes are looking, my ears are listening, my mouth is closed, and my hands are in my lap. Tommy Thumb is up and Tommy Thumb is down. Tommy Thumb is dancing all around the town. Dance him on your shoulders, dance him on your head. Dance him on your knees and tuck him into bed. Good morning to you, good morning to you. We're all in our spaces with bright shiny faces, and I say to you, good morning to you. Good morning, Miss Alexa. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm glad you're here today. Hooray! Buenos dias, buenos dias. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? ¿Y usted? Buenos días. ¿Cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias. ¿Y usted? But what buenos dias, what good morning is it today? Do you remember? Unlock it, pull it out. Today is Thursday. Yes, you remembered. Today is Thursday. Today's gardening day. But what is the date? Let's take a look. Can you help me, please? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Today is Thursday, July 16th. Hoy es el jueves, el 16 de julio. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Los días de la semana son 7, son 7. Lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo son 7, son lunes, martes, miércoles, jueves, viernes, sábado, domingo. Sunny, 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 sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? S-U-N-N-Y is sunny. Is it sunny in the sky? Cloudy, 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 cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? C-L-O-U-D-Y, cloudy. Is it cloudy in the sky? Rainy, 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 rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? R-A-I-N-Y is rainy. Is it rainy in the sky? Windy, 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 windy. Is it windy in the sky? W-I-N-D-Y, windy. Is it windy in the sky. Snowy, 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 snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? S-N-O-W-Y is snowy. Is it snowy in the sky? What's the weather like today with you? Oh, well, here it is very hot. Ooh, is it hot? I got all my hair tied back off my face. Very hot. So I'm going to sing about it being hot, but you can use the word that best suits your weather and we'll meet at the end of the song. Ready? I know a day just like today and hot was the weather. H-O-T, 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 and hot was the weather. My friends, it is hot, but hot is not a bad thing for going outside and collecting some nature. So today's Thursday, it's gardening day, and we are actually going to make a beautiful opaque bracelet. Well, technically it starts off opaque. Opaque means that you can see through it. It starts off opaque, but it doesn't finish up opaque. I just wanted to use our letter sound of the week, The idea for this bracelet I got off a very, very good friend of mine, Lauren Lothery. Here is my tray today. You might not be able to see it, but I already measured out quite a thick bit of tape, sellotape, parcel tape, I guess. And I measured it around my wrist, so you might need a little bit of help to do that, to make it roughly a little bit bigger than your wrist, so it fits all around. And I'd already been outside and I collected some nature, but it would be really nice if you put your tape around your wrist, and if you're able to, go out in your garden, collect nature as you're out there, or if you're going for a walk. If not, by all means go and collect some nature beforehand and bring it back in and put it on a tray, whichever idea suits you best. I got this idea from a beautiful friend of mine called Lauren Lothery, so thank you very, very much, Lauren. I think it's gorgeous. She lives out in the country and has wonderful ideas for artworks about nature. So first of all, we take our tape, and like I said, you might need a little bit of help to do this. Look, it starts off opaque. Opaque. That has a long vowel sound. And I'm going to stick it around my wrist. Now, if you can see, it's not so tight. I don't want it to be cutting off my blood circulation. And then all we do, very simply, guys, is we take the nature that we collected and we stick it onto our bracelet. Such a simple and beautiful idea. I thought that we didn't actually have any flowers left outside, but I noticed we had quite a lot. Ready? And there you have a beautiful nature bracelet. Love! How cute are they? Thank you, Lauren, my beautiful friend, for the idea. They are wonderful. Today we're going to finish with a song about a little bird, and you'll notice in the middle of some of the words is our sound. It's the middle sound. Listen out for it. Are you ready? It goes like this. Once I saw a little bird. Come, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, why don't you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. Did you catch the op sound in op and stop, stop? Let's finish with some breathing on hop and stop. Would you like to get up on your toes and do it? Let's try. Ready? Breathe in to hop and then stop. going to be quite quick breaths. Ready? Hop, stop. Hop, stop. Hop, stop. Shoulders up and down in your back pockets. Thank you so much, my friends. Do not miss tomorrow. We are making a traditional South American rain stick, a very simplified version of one. It's one of my favorite, I guess, instruments. And it also comes with some beautiful history behind it. Don't forget, click that subscribe button and I will see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye.